So I've had this dishwasher for several years, probably about actually 12, probably 12 years anyway. And I noticed that my dishes weren't coming out as clean. Of course, there's toothpicks in here. That's probably not a good thing either. My dishes weren't coming out that clean lately. And I hadn't cleaned it out before. And I've tried to yank on this foolish plastic thing, and it never came out. And I figured that's where there's got to be some kind of crap under there. So today I decided to try something different and give it a twist and a pull. Originally, this tab was on this side, and I swung it around the back, and I picked this up, and look at the bull crap under this thing. Look at this shit. That's horrible. This whole thing is just clogged. So if you're having a problem with your dishwasher, not cleaning your dishes well enough, maybe this is the place to look. So I'm going to clean this out, and I'm sure it'll be a lot better. So hopefully this helps people and saves you a few $100 trying to get some guy to figure out what's wrong, and he'll just tell you need a new pump. Doesn't that seem to be the way? So as it turns out, it's full of crap, and you can see here's the other crap I pulled out of there. That's pretty bad. Sorry about the sun. It's just the time of day in winter time. So we'll clean all this crap out, but I couldn't just reach in and pull this. This whole thing was spinning inside, and I figured, well, it's got to come out then somehow. So the spout, I'm not sure what that spout does, squirts. It squirts something, I'm sure. Maybe it's a sensor. Pull that out. This pulls straight out, and then you can clean it out over a trash can or with a hose outside, probably. All right, so that was quite simple to work with. As I said, all you do is just spin. Pull this up a little bit. Yeah, it says easy, right? Spin it around, 180 degrees, thereabouts. Pull it out. The screen comes right out. Okay, it fits in a certain way, so you want to put that back. And again, put this back. Get that relatively into place, and just give it a spin. And you hear it lock, it's good to go. While you're at it, wipe down your seals. I found a lot of crap down in these corners. It's a lot better now. But the seal area along the door, okay, get all that area, clean it up a little bit. You only go in here once in a while, right? So that's it for today. Hopefully that helps somebody.